Dad, Crystal and Don. Hey, Mom and Dad. Hey, Crystal. Hey, Don. It's Sunday afternoon, and it's Hudson. And when I move when I turn the camera, you'll see that we have the board all the way up the box today, seeing how that goes. If we're brave, we're going to be brave. All right, keep your fingers crossed. We have Hudson. Whoa! We have Hudson getting the ball from the real box. I'm going to show you what we're doing. We don't have it cocked. The ball isn't shooting out, but it's sitting up on the real box. Ta-da! Here we go. See the ball, Hudson?
Oh! Yow!
What'd he do?
He got you. His foot came up over the box and scratched. Actually, I think what we need to do is put a narrower jump on there because he needs...
We've just decided that the box is too small for a big boy.
A narrower one.
All right, look at that. That's beautiful, Hudson. Looks like he's been doing it his whole life. And that's over 2 jumps.
Yeah, hold on, Betty.
Alrighty. Betty is back over 3 jumps. And we're using the real box. And we may have a new dog this week. Look at him go. Ta-da! Alright, here we are back again. Second turn for Hudson. We're going to turn back over 2 jumps on the box without a ball. Very good, Hudson. Good boy, Hudson. Betty moved back up a bit to the second jump. One more time. Let's do it, Hudson. Come on, Hudson. Good boy.
Back up, Betty.
And he gorgeous. Good boy, Hudson. All right, Hudson. This is back over 4 jumps. Can he do it? Can he do it? Beautiful. Hudson's first full pattern. Yeah. Good boy, Hudson. Full pattern. 4 jumps. Can we do that again? Come on, Hudson. Can we do it again? Look at that boy. Awesome. Okay, Crystal Don, this is Hudson's play dead trick.
Dead.
In slow motion.
Dead.
Slowly he fades. And now the spin trick. Yeah! Very nice, Hudson. Oh, and both ways. Look how slick he is. Hello, Hudson. Are you out to play? Do you have your buddy there? Is that Jasper? Hi, Hudson. Go do something, Hudson. Go play. There you go. Hey there, honey. Say bye. Say bye for now.